I just wanted to say that all the video discussions that I'm going to record and upload from this point on, it's probably going to be a bit distracting because I would be coughing in some of them. Okay, I've been sick in the last 15 days or so, and I had some cough. Alright, and yeah, medyo, I'm sure. My voice has been guttural for a few days back then, and then there were instances then, I would be barking like mad, and I haven't been, speaking much kasi nga every time I open my mouth to speak, andyan yung, parang may nakabang na gustong, and coughing up, barking. And so, pagpasensya nyo na lang ang pagbatok natin dyan. Alright, so, I try to minimize it, and of course, kapag yung barking like mad talaga, I would try to cut them out para naman hindi masyadong masaktan ng inyong mga tenga. Okay, pero yung occasional coughing lang naman, edi hindi ka na masyadong ika-cut away kasi they could probably be too many. So, medyo it would be inefficient to remove all of them. So, ayun lang. Tawag dito, parang, what should I call it? Hindi naman cautious. Parang ano lang, what do you call it? It's not a disclaimer. Parang, warning. Okay. Warning, na may maririnig kayo dyan na pag-ubo in the discussions that will be uploaded later. Alright. Just a warning. Thanks and bye.